Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, February 24th. Well, I was looking for some upward movement. Not a big day for Tuesday, but some positive action that the buyers would maintain this upward momentum. Instead, what we find in the NASDAQ are sellers coming back in. I call these moves equal and opposite. It does imply a down day for Wednesday. However, I'm looking for it to be bouncy in that action. We had some comments coming out of Iran, and they said, why would we freeze production when we're just starting to build and we want our market share back? So that comment did send crude oil lower, which had an impact here in the NASDAQ market. So I do look for a down move on Wednesday, but I look for shadows on the lows as buyers come back in. In the currencies, we can see here in just a minute that the euro is slowing down a tad bit as the market moves lower. Be cautious on the short side. We may be seeing a transition now in the euro market. It may get stronger is what this implies. But when it comes to the interest rate markets, it's acting normal. We can see here in just a second that the market broke as the stock market was getting stronger, and then it rallied as the stock market was getting weaker. Normal behavior. I don't look for follow through to the upside, however. I'd still want to be on the short side for that market. And when it comes to gold, well, gold needs an excuse to do something, and it got it on Tuesday's action. However, I was looking for it to be basically unchanged inside of Monday's range, and that's really what we have here. I don't look for much movement to the upside right now. I think it's going to stay in this sideways kind of behavior. In the crude oil market, this is where we see the results of those comments being made. Now again, this is an equal and opposite. I don't look for dramatic movement here to the downside. This market does not have a strong reason at all to rally. So I am looking for weaker crude oil prices, but not in a dramatic move for Wednesday. If we take a look at the grains, well, in soybeans, we can see the market continues weaker. I think, again, this also makes sense. If you think about what's going on in South America in terms of crop, these grains just don't have a reason to rally right now. And I am looking for further weakness to the downside for our friend Mr. Bean. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.